welcome to Ganga Gaushala. Actually, I would like to know from your side what is Foxy and what is the basic promotional statement that which you have started in this area.
Foxy is Federation of Obstetricians and Gynecologists of India.
Is it started in Dhanbad first time or it has been done?
It's an organization which has been there in our country for more than 70 years.
Yeah.
Okay, and our society here in Dhanbad has more than 115 members.
Yeah.
But
these all members are related to the medical association section.
Obviously, yeah.
Okay.
All, and most of them are practicing obstetrics and gynecology.
Gynecologist. So what is the basic motto that which you have started in the 5th June regarding that Vriksharopan Karyakram here?
Our president, Mr. Alpesh Gandhi, he has given a motto of triggering transformation.
Yeah.
And this program is being conducted under the leadership of Dr. Niharika Malhotra Vora, who is the president of Young Talent Promotion Committee. Here what we are trying to do is to trigger transformation in the society by actually bringing the youth forward. If the youth of today decides to bring about a transformation, a positive transformation in the society, then definitely we are going to.
Do you not think that this is related to the biodiversity statement is also that must be included for this
Yeah,
section?
definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So what is the basic motto regarding that the things which you have started in particular Ganga Gaushala? Why you have targeted this zone? Because most of that area regarding that the Koilanchal, when we think about it, is highly polluted. So you have decided for the Ganga Gaushala. Is there any proper planning for that, or
Yeah,
you will continue
definitely.
this?
Yeah, definitely we are going to continue this. We have been having many programs here in Ganga Gaushala from last 1 and 2 years. And the main motive of finalizing on Ganga Gaushala is that already the number of social activities, social work are being done by them. And when we do tree plantation here, there is a very strong workforce and have a plan for next 3 years. What we want to do, we have a blueprint for next 3 years, and this is the first step.
What is the main point regarding that blueprint? How much the plants or the things that which you want to continue here?
See, actually, the planning, everything is done by the national team.
Okay.
And we definitely give our input. So like for today, we planned for around 40,000 tree plantation in a single day all over the country.
All over the country.
All over the country on a single day.
Basically, for your Ganga Gaushala, what would you like to do right now?
Right now, we are going to plant around 101.
100. So these are related to the fruitful plants or the plants?
All kind of plants. Like we have neem, peepal, kathal, the fruit bearing as well as non.
Being a gynecologist, that what would you like to tell about this 5th June for the environment, which was started in 1974 and up to 2020? We are on the target to continue and to save nature. So what is your consideration regarding this matter?
I think the most important consideration today is we have to sensitize the youth. We have to sensitize the children. It's very important to make them understand how important, because greenhouse effect is there. It is a reality now. And people, there are many scientists who are saying that if we don't take a step today, in this century, the world is going to come to an end. So what can we do? Even little steps like saving water, preventing pollution in water, preventing air pollution, sound pollution, rainwater harvesting, planting more trees, even the potted plants at your own home, residence, in the small balconies, even they can help in bringing about a positive change.
Do you think that the plantation is one of a kind, or it's a life? The people are unable to continue their life without having the plants because we are getting oxygen from that.
Obviously, because अगर कहते हैं ना कि जैसे जल ही जीवन है, वैसे पेड़ या पर्यावरण है तो हम हैं. क्योंकि अगर हमने अपने आसपास ये जो पर्यावरण है, अपने एनवायरनमेंट की हमने रक्षा नहीं की तो हम नहीं बच पाएंगे. क्योंकि ये वाटर लेवल पे हो, सी लेवल पे हो, एयर हो, अर्थ हो, हर जगह वाटर पोल्यूशन, एयर पोल्यूशन, साउंड पोल्यूशन as well as environmental pollution of all kinds should be condemned, and we should every day make little efforts.
There is an individual question from my side that why it is needed for this local area, means basically for the Koilanchal or the coal sectors.
Is one of the most polluted areas in our country. You know, there are many diseases. Every day we have so many patients of respiratory problems.
Yeah.
Small kids having respiratory problems. There are many patients who have infertility because there is so much of adverse elements in the air, in water in our area.
One statement is written over there, Pahli Roti Gaay Ka. Do you think that India is such kind of the cultural country where we should continue with this statement?
Definitely. We have been the most cultural and advanced country since time immemorial, that we have always worshipped trees, we have worshipped animals, and we should take the step forward.
Are you in the panel to continue that really we just still consider that Gau Mata? Being a doctor, you are in the professional sectors. As a gynecologist, you just consider that really we just believe in this statement is Gau
We
Mata.
have to and we should. That's the kind of, even if you become a scientist or you become a doctor, you should be, placed to your roots.
Yeah.
So we have to respect each and every form of life around us. Because when we treat it as God, then we have respect and security to that person or that living object.
Madam, whenever we think that sometimes the students or the professional persons, when they have completed their most of their destination in their life, they used to come out from the cultural activities. They ignore these things. But I just consider and I see that you are having interest in these things. So, what is the basic reason? Did you get these all things from your family backgrounds, or you just consider no, this is quite necessary?
No, definitely family background, your own family upbringing plays a very important role. So my father, my mother, they have brought us. That plays a very important role in understanding the importance of each and every aspect of life, whether it is animal. Like I would like to mention, there was this incident few days back in Kerala where a pregnant elephant was fed with a pineapple which was filled with crackers. Can we understand what kind of pain?
Yeah.
What kind of pain a pregnant mother goes through?
There is
That sensitivity, no kind of degree, a PhD or a doctorate can develop that kind of sensitivity. Kerala is supposed to be the most literate of all the states in our country. Still, this kind of, when the problem emerges, then we have to understand that we have to make the new generation sensitized towards all form of life.
There is one question, madam. I just used to see that your father, Bijay Jhanviya, okay, he has been running and he has been continued towards every activity regarding the social sides. So, what is your individual regarding opinion for your father?
I hold him in very high esteem because I have seen very less people in our society who want to contribute towards society. We take from society, but when the time comes where we have to give back to our society, we somehow step back. But that kind of influence when we have at our home, I have seen the kind of changes it brings in people around us, not only in family, in the area we live in, many people who come in contact. So social service is something which is not taught in school, but that is a very important part of our cultural and our kind of system which will maintain us in this planet. If we don't serve others, we are not going to serve.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.